Let's go, boys and girls. Welcome to the vloggy. Just chilling here. Did a little food run and it was really neat. As I'm walking out of the grocery store, I see my friend Todd, and he looks at me and I look at him and he's like, "Yo brother, what the fuck?" And I was like, "Yo, yo, yo." And he's like, you gotta have a beer." So I met him for a beer. Hung out with him for a little bit. But it is Mother's Day, so I couldn't do a lot of beer or a long hang. Well, plus it's 2 p.m. You're alright. Oh my goodness, your child is fine, you freak. That lady was covering her child's ears. I don't blame her, I guess. The bike is loud. But yeah, so now I'm doing a quick little blast back home to make shish kebabs. Yeah, I was supposed to be gone for like an hour, but instead I was gone for more like 2, which is uncouth. Nice little road. Gotta watch out for animals, obviously. Big and small. I also have to watch the MotoGP race. So I have a feeling I'm about to help marinate the pork, because we're making shish kebabs. Then I'm gonna watch the MotoGP race, and then I'm gonna start the fire for the shish kebabs. Yes, that's what we're gonna do. Because we're gonna do classic Shashlik. I was gonna say Russian, but it's more like Georgian, I guess. But you know, back in Russia, we used to have a lot of Shashlik. Mad bugs out. I'm getting pelted by bugs. The temperature is exquisite. It's 61 degrees, but it feels freaking every degree of it. I'm just concerned with wildlife because I'm having so much fun. I'm kind of going down the middle of the road to avoid all the gravels. That said, there's a lot of shadows and I don't see a lot of the gravel. And I've also seen cops here recently. On this tiny little road, I've seen the cops pass by, which is kind of bizarre, I guess. By myself here. How dope. Loose on the brakes, loose on the gas. Just freaking feeling this baby around the turns. This feels good. The suspension, man. Such an improvement from stock. Oof. Spot, people camping. It's a beautiful thing. I've camped here before. I love it. Seems like that guy's gonna come by himself, legitimately. A little bit of a jump there. About to get on a bigger road over here. More legal, if you will. Well, not quite yet. A little bit early. Bike is fun. It's just a dancing machine, I tell you. Scenery for animals. I don't want to lean too hard here just because there could be gravel for realsies. Seems to be a Jeep moving rapidly. I like it. I dig it. Big main road. Popo. Just not. Just not. I literally just want to like shift it down just to shift it back up. There's no rhyme or reason to my gear changes. Could have stayed in fucking fourth the whole time, right? Dope. Look at this fucking scenery. I'm a lucky lucky boy. Damn. Trees, down trees. The front actually got loose. The front was like that was super nice to see friends. Really enjoyed it. Really did enjoy it. Around here, just like this. Keep it in third, right? And I'll put it in second. Tuck in. Once you see that there's no yes, this bike, man. I do like this bike. Tell you what. Scale of 1 to 10? A 10. Maybe even 10 and a half. Perfect. Perfect amount of power. You can play with it, you can be stupid with it. If I was gunning Street Fighter like that, just like dinking it about, I'm not a good enough rider, perhaps. I'm just not a good enough rider for that.